Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to look at polynomials, degrees, coefficients. Let's start off by looking at what is a polynomial. So a polynomial, all it is you have a number times some variable and it has an exponent that is a whole number. So that's our definition of a polynomial. So an example of that would be 1/3 x squared. So 1/3 is a number multiplying the x, and the little 2 is the exponent. It's a whole number, so it is a polynomial. Next, let's take a look at coefficients. So the number that's in front of each term, the number multiplying, is called the coefficient. So an example would be 0.5x cubed. 0.5 is a coefficient. Okay, a constant. The constant is the number that does not have a variable, so there's no x. Usually it's at the end, not always. So in this case, here's an example, 2x squared plus 7. 7 would be the constant. Okay, last thing we are going to look at is the degree, which is the highest power or highest exponent of the variable. So for example, if you have 3x to the 5th plus 2x squared plus 1, you have an exponent of 2 and an exponent of 5. Since 5 is the highest, then the degree of this polynomial would be 5. Great. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So let's say we had 7x to the 5th plus 2.5x cubed minus 1/2 x plus 7. The degree of this polynomial would be 5 because 5 is the highest exponent in this equation. Now all the coefficients are all the numbers multiplying the variables, which would be 7, 2.5, and -1/2. And then that plus 7 at the very end is the constant term because it does not have an x value. So here's another one. This one is in factored form. So you have y is equal to 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 5. So we have to change it to standard form so that we know the degree of the polynomial. So first let's distribute the 2, which gives us 2x plus 4. And then let's use our box to help us multiply this out. So 2x squared goes on the top left, 4 times x is 4x, 2x times 5 is 10x, 4 times 5 is 20, and we get 2x squared plus 14x plus 20. So the degree would be 2, that's the highest exponent. The coefficients would be 2 and 14, and the constant would be 20. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.